This is a bidirectional motor. It is a gear motor. That's why I'll show you another motor a little later. But in here is a bidirectional motor. There are gears inside here that give it torque, so it can move this wheel slowly but with a lot of strength. Here I have the power supply. Notice it's got the red connected into the red railing and the black wires connected into the blue railing, usually associated with ground. And I'm going to plug in the motor, and so you can start to see it spin. This particular motor has a very, very long cable. They could be short, they could be long, and it's connected in that way. I put tape on it just to protect it so it doesn't pull on the terminals, which break very easily. And these students used it for something and they needed this very long cable. So I'm just going to connect these two ends. And notice they're not red or black. It doesn't matter what the polarity is, because the motor will go forward or backward depending on how you connect it. So here it goes. I'm going to connect one here. And then I'm going to connect one to the red railing, which is positive. And let's see how the motor's doing. There, see it's working. And on the video, it looks like it's going clockwise. I'm going to change the leads and see what happens. So I'm going to take this one, connect it to the red. It used to be in the ground. This one here used to be in the positive, and I'm going to connect it to the ground. Let's see what happens to the motor and which way it's spinning. Notice now that it's spinning counterclockwise. So these motors can go counterclockwise or clockwise depending on the polarity that you connected. So if you were to reverse those, it would go clockwise. That's a bidirectional motor, and how you would hook it up to make it go forward or backwards.